Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss an important topic in chemistry: absolute configuration or R&S nomenclature. Before going to assign the nomenclature, we must know the rules. Rule number 1: if atoms of same group or period are present, higher priority is assigned to atoms with higher atomic number. Say for example, iron is greater than bromine, bromine is greater than chlorine, chlorine is greater than fluorine, and Cl is greater than sulfur, sulfur is greater than phosphorus. Point number 2: if the isotopes of same elements are present, higher priority is assigned to atoms with higher mass number. Say for example, tritium greater than deuterium, deuterium greater than protium. These are the isotopes of hydrogen. Therefore, here tritium has a higher mass number. Therefore, priority always goes to tritium. And if the isotopes of carbons are present, C14 is greater than C13, greater than C12. Then, rule number 3: if atoms attached to chiral carbons are the same, priority is decided by comparing second and third atoms of the group. Say for example, CH2 greater than CH2Br, CH2Br greater than CH2Cl, CH2Cl greater than CH2F. Fourth point or fourth rule: a doubly or triply bonded atoms are considered equivalent to 2 or 3 of such atoms. C double bond O equals C single bond O single bond O. C triple bond N equals C single bond N single bond N single bond N. And C triple bond C equals C single bond C single bond C single bond C. Fifth one: the atoms with multiple bonds are greater than atoms with alkyl groups. C triple bond C greater than C CH3 thrice. C double bond C greater than CH3 twice. Easy trick. Okay. Now we are going to see the tricks. If lowest priority group is present either at the top or at the bottom of chiral carbon of given compound, first one, assign the priority of groups and atoms present. Second, determine the configuration directly. Third one, if the ice travel in clockwise direction, it is R. Fourth one, if the ice travel in anti-clockwise direction, it is S. Okay. Now we have to see the examples. CH2O, single bond, C, CH2, OH, then OH, H. Here hydrogen is present at the bottom. Okay. Now we are going to fix the priority of groups, that is equal to OH is greater than CHO, CHO is greater than CH2, OH is greater than hydrogen. Therefore, the lowest priority group, that is hydrogen, is present at the bottom. Therefore, it is assigned directly. Therefore, it becomes C, CHO, CH2OH, OH, and also H. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Okay. Then the ice travel in the clockwise direction because OH goes to CH2O, CH2 goes to CH2OH. Therefore, it is a R configuration. Okay. Okay. Now we have to see COH single bond C, NH2, CH3 single bond H. Now we are going to assign the priority. Here priority goes to NH2 because nitrogen has a atomic number 7. Then priority goes to COOH. Then priority goes to CH3, then priority goes to hydrogen. The last priority group is present at the bottom. Okay, now COOH NH2 CH3 H. This is the 1, this is the 2, and this is the 3. Okay, then the ice travel in these directions. NH2 goes to COH, COH goes to CH3. Therefore, it rotates light in the anti-clockwise direction. Therefore, the configuration is S. Okay, student? Okay, now we are going to see H, C, single bond Cl, CH3, single bond C2H5. Now we are going to assign the priority. Therefore, tell them that chlorine is higher than C2H5 and C2H5 greater than CH3, then greater than hydrogen. Therefore, the lowest priority group, that is hydrogen, is present at the top of the molecule. Therefore, now we are going to take the C, H, single bond, C2H5, single bond, Cl, single bond, CH3. Okay, then this is the 1, this is the 2, and this is the 3. Okay, now the Cl goes to C2H5, C2H5 goes to CH3. Therefore, it travels in the clockwise direction. Therefore, it is a R configuration. Okay, student? Okay, students. Now we are going to see CH3 single bond, CH2 Cl, single bond OH, F. This is a very tricky one. So, watch this problem very carefully. Okay? First of all, we are going to assign the priority according to the atomic number that is directly bonded to the chiral carbon. Here, this is the chiral carbon. So, that. So, as per atomic number, fluorine has the highest priority. Then there is a OH, CH2, Cl and CH3. So, next one is a OH. Okay? Atomic number 8. Then there is a CH3 and a CH2Cl. Third priority goes to CH2Cl and the last priority goes to CH3. Therefore, the lowest priority group is present at the top of the molecule. Now, CH3, C, CH2, Cl, OH, F. Okay, this is the 1, and this is the 2, and this is the 3. Okay, the first priority goes to atoms or groups with higher atomic number that are directly bonded to chiral carbon. Here, chlorine is with the atomic number 17, but it is not directly bonded to the chiral carbon. It is bonded to the carbon that is bonded to chiral carbon. Therefore, it doesn't get the more priority. Okay. Now, 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Now the ice traveled in the clockwise direction. Therefore, configuration is a R. Okay, students, this is a very important video. So watch it, use it, and also share with your friends. Thank you.